Right, hey guys. So I would just wanted to come in here really quick to share a thought with you. Hey guys, so one of the things that I've been thinking of a lot lately is, by the way, before I even tell you about my thought, check those out. They were a custom order for a client. They're so pretty. I love my clients when they challenge me to kind of do more, think outside the box. These are absolutely gorgeous. They're freshwater pools, um, V-shaped hooks, which is gorgeous. Anyway, so I've been thinking a lot about just life and getting older, and the kind of person that I want to be, the person that I want people to see, the parts of me that I would like to share with people, and being able to tell my story in a manner that it translates very well, um, in a sense that you get a full picture, of who I am and what I'm about. My birthday is coming up, and I tend to get very contemplative every birthday, I swear. That's what I do. I get extremely contemplative. I feel like when it comes to birthdays, I'm more of a private party kind of girl. I mean, the song Private Party by India. If you have not heard it, check it out. But definitely, that's the type of celebration I tend to have around my birthdays. But I've been thinking a lot about it, and one of the things that I would like to work on, in this new cycle of my life, this upcoming year, is my image and what my image is. So I am planning on designing a personal collection in the coming weeks leading up to my birthday, and I would love to have you on this journey with me. So of course, look out for the updates. I don't want to say daily updates, because as much as that is what I would like to eventually be able to do, life happens sometimes, man. Life happens sometimes, and it's not as sometimes not as easy. So look out for the updates as we come down to my birthday and design a personal collection. Those of you who sew, and when I say sew, I mean at any level. If you would like to do this for yourself, you definitely can. One of the challenges that I've given myself is to ensure that this is another client order. One of the things that I would like to ensure is when I'm designing the collection, I utilize cloth that I have. I have quite a bit of cloth that, the way people shop for clothing, I shop for fabric. And so I'm going to utilize material that I already have, as opposed to purchasing anything new for my collection. So that is one of the challenges that I'm working with. I'm hoping that is going to be an exciting process, and I am hoping that you guys are going to join me on that journey. I'm Herma D, and this is Herma D Daily.